Hello friends, warm welcome to this video. What to do if my Windows computer starts slow? There may be many reasons behind your slow startup of Windows. By attempting some steps, we can improve the Windows boot up speed. In this video, we will learn to fix the slow startup Windows issue. Follow the steps as shown in this video. Right-click on the taskbar at the bottom of your desktop. Click on the Task Manager from the drop-down list. Click on the Startup app. Select a program name that you don't want to load the startup of Windows, and click on the Disable button. Similarly, you can disable the other apps. Close the Task Manager window. Click on the Windows search bar at the bottom left. Type services.msc in the search bar. Click the Services app from the search result. Scroll down the list to Windows Search. Select and right-click on the Windows Search, then click on the Properties. Make sure the Disabled option is selected in the Startup Type drop-down list. Click on the Apply button, and then click the OK button. Close the Services window. Click again on the Windows search bar and type Defragment. Click on the Defragment and Optimize Drives app to open it. Select your C drive and click on the Optimize button to start the defragment. Wait for the completion of defragment process. Close the Optimize Drives window. Type msconfig.exe in the Windows search bar. Click on the System Configuration app to open it. Click on the Startup tab, and then click on the Open Task Manager link. As we already have disabled some apps in the startup, and if you didn't do that, then disable those not required apps from the startup window. Close all the opened windows and restart your computer. Please do not forget to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more upcoming tech support videos. Thank you for watching this video.